Hello, lovelies. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for overall well-being: how to boost mental clarity. Our fast-paced lives can often lead to mental fog, but fear not. We're about to explore some smart habits that can help you gain sharper focus and mental clarity. 1. Prioritize quality sleep. Quality sleep is the foundation to achieving mental clarity. Adequate rest allows your brain to recharge, process information, and enhance cognitive functions. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. 2. Hydration for mind and body. Staying hydrated is key. Dehydration can lead to cognitive decline and fatigue. Keep a water bottle handy throughout the day and aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water. 3. Balanced nutrition. Your brain needs proper nourishment. Consume a diet rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and whole foods. These nutrients support brain health and cognitive function. For more tips on what to eat, especially for those who are short on time, watch Eating Healthy Made Easy: 6 Tips for Busy People. I'll put the link in the description. 4. Mindful movement. Regular exercise isn't just for the body, it benefits your mind too. Engage in activities like yoga, walking, or even dancing. Exercise improves blood flow to the brain and boosts mental clarity. 5. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a game changer. Dedicate time each day to meditation, deep breathing, and reflect on your day. Mindfulness reduces stress, enhances focus, and promotes mental clarity. 6. Digital detox. Take breaks from screens. Continuous screen time can strain your eyes and overwhelm your mind. Practice digital detox by stepping away from devices and engaging in offline activities for at least 2 hours a day, and reconnect with the world and be present. 7. Declutter your space. A cluttered, uninspirational space can lead to a cluttered mind. Organize your surroundings to reduce distractions and create an environment that fosters mental clarity and focus. 8. Planning ahead. Planning is a game changer and gives you control over your future, also helping to reduce anxiety and stress. Use a diary or calendar to schedule tasks, activities, and short and long-term goals. This helps you stay organized, manage your time effectively, and reduce mental clutter. By implementing these smart habits into your daily routine, you're giving your mind the tools it needs to thrive with clarity and focus. Subscribe and like for more insights, and let's continue this journey towards enhanced mental clarity and well-being. See you next time.